Your front entrance is the first thing guests notice, so make it good. Clean entryways set the tone for the area and welcome guests. Many of us struggle with cluttered, untidy little quarters. Not to worry, some smart storage hacks and ideas can make your doorway appealing and functional. Have you ever had to search your messy entrance for keys or a coat hanger? You're not alone. Our entryways often become catch-alls for shoes, purses, and other ordinary items. This may stress the room when you enter, so clever storage is crucial, especially in compact spaces where every inch counts. Change your entrance's appearance easily. This tutorial offers imaginative space-saving ideas for small places. From multi-purpose furniture to DIY crafts, you'll find creative solutions to maximize your space while staying attractive. Whether you're a busy housewife or just love your home, this guide will help you create a welcoming doorway. Let's enjoy entryway renovations. Understanding your space. When you try to plan a space, do you ever not really know what you have to work with? The first step to a successful change is to understand your entryway. Before you start looking for storage options, look around your space. You can figure out what will work best for you by measuring and looking at the layout of your entrance. First, write down how big your entrance is. Is it long and thin, or is it more square? This will affect what kinds of storage options you can use. Write down what you need. Do you need more space for shoes, a place for clothes, or a shelf for bags? By being clear about what you need, you can avoid clutter and pick storage choices that really do what they're supposed to do. Don't forget that it's not just about how something looks, it has to work too. Think about how you and your family use the room every day. Do you often have to rush to find your shoes in the morning? Or is there a place to hang your coats when you get home? Once you know these patterns, it will be easier to choose storage options that work for you. You'll be well on your way to making an entryway that is both useful and welcoming once you've measured the room and thought about what you need. Now let's look at some fun storage ideas that can make your hallway look less cluttered and more stylish. Storage solutions for small entryways. Are you ready to discover your entrance's benefits? In a limited space, clever storage is essential. Let's look at some beautiful and functional options to maximize your entryway's functionality without sacrificing style. First, multi-purpose furniture. You could buy an entryway bench with storage. These benches let you put on or take off your shoes while sitting on them, and many contain secret storage for shoes or seasonal things. Imagine entering a clean, clutter-free room owing to this innovative addition. Let's discuss variable storage. Have little floor space? Look up. Wall-mounted shelves increase storage without taking up more space. They can display art or hold daily necessities like keys and mail. Add coat, bag, and hat hooks or racks to these shelves to organize everything. Consider thin cabinets or trolleys for added storage. Slim cabinets can fit against walls or in corners, making them ideal for shoes, purses, and other goods. Mobile carts are adaptable since they can be moved to where you need them. This makes them ideal for tiny spaces. With these storage options, your hallway will appear better and be easier to organize. Turn your doorway into a gorgeous and functional space now. Creative DIY ideas. Are you wanting to be crafty? Coming up with your own ideas can lead to the best answers. With a little work, you can add a personal touch to your entrance and make storage solutions that are just right for you. Let's look at some creative ideas that are simple to put into action. First, think about what else you could use everyday things for. You can make cute storage options out of old crates or boxes. You can stack them against a wall to show off your shoes and style, or you can use them as side tables. This not only saves room but also gives your entryway better looks. Do not throw away any old suitcases that you may have sitting around. These classic pieces can be turned into stylish storage. Stacking a few suitcases together makes a unique side table, or you can use them to store winter clothes or holiday decorations. This gets rid of clutter and gives your area a nostalgic feel. Making your own shelving is another fun do-it-yourself job. It can be fun to build easy shelves over the weekend. You do not need to be an expert at woodworking. All you need are some items from around the house and to follow online instructions. You can make these shelves fit your space perfectly, and they're great for storing books, plants, or pretty things. Don't forget about pegboards either. They can be used in a lot of different ways to organize your entrance. You can change them to hold keys, bags, or even small plants. This way you can keep everything close at hand and add a unique touch to your wall decor. You can make your entryway unique and show off your style with these clever do-it-yourself ideas. Prepare to let out your inner artist and turn your room into a beautiful and useful place. Decorating while storing. Do you think your entrance is more functional than welcoming? No worries, you can be stylish and functional. Decorate and add storage to your foyer for a balanced blend. Let's look at some strategies to make your place functional and attractive. First, consider ways to beautify and expand your foyer. Pretty boxes can hold scarves, gloves, and pet leashes. These boxes can be placed on shelves or under benches to arrange and beautify the room. Choose woven, metal, or canvas baskets that match your room. Also, choose colors and types that match your home style. An attractive front entrance sets the tone for your home. If your home is modern, consider clean-lined storage. Choose wooden seats or shelving for a country look. They provide charm and warmth. Never underestimate wall art's power. Your doorway can feel cozier with family photos or artwork. Framed mirrors make a room look bigger and allow you to check before leaving. Mirrors reflect light, making your entrance appear larger and friendlier. Finally, consider lights. A beautiful lamp or wall sconce can provide enough light and create a nice ambiance. The appropriate lighting can make your doorway a joyful, welcoming environment that makes arriving home fun. Decorate your entrance when shopping to make it welcoming. Showcase your style while organizing everything. Your entryway will be attractive and easy to use. Organizational hacks. Are you overwhelmed by entrance clutter? Don't worry. Easy organization can make a big difference. Your room may be clean and functional easily. Today we'll discuss easy ways to clean your hallway year-round. Make a space for daily requirements to land. Place keys, wallets, and bags when you enter. This might be a bag hook or shelf with a tiny bowl. Keeping things organized and finding what you need quickly will be easier with this habit. Consider weather changes next. Our storage needs alter with the seasons. You may need to store winter clothes and boots. Store lighter jackets and shoes in summer. Clear your foyer often to make room for seasonal items. Take a few minutes each month to comb through your belongings and get rid of anything useless. Another approach is to store goods in clear bins. The container's contents are visible, so you can find what you need without digging. Labels on bins help family members discover their belongings, making organization easier. Finally, schedule weekly maintenance. Weekly front door washing takes a few minutes. Create a family event. Ask everyone to help reorganize. This little task may maintain your entrance tidy and clean. Conclusion. Ready to transform an untidy entrance into a beautiful one? Create a room that meets your demands and welcomes you with the correct plans. We've looked at inventive storage ideas, DIY projects, and planning tricks to make your entryway match your taste. The first thing people see when they visit your house is your entrance, so make it welcoming. Employ vertical space, decorate with personal touches, and employ multi-purpose furniture to create a beautiful and functional environment. Monthly maintenance is crucial. Cleaning and organizing your entrance is easy. As the seasons change, reassess your storage needs and find a home for everyday items. Now unleash your imagination. Use these unique ideas to personalize your space. Tell us how you changed your entrance. Post your tales and advice below. We appreciate your company as we update your entryway. With these methods, you can create a compact space with loads of storage. Have fun planning.